So I chose Fisher because I had a really good reputation in the education department. Among all my high school teachers, whenever I mentioned St. John Fisher, they all said, "Oh, that's a really good college." So that's why I wanted to go here. I chose my major because when I was in high school, I had a lot of difficult times, and I wanted to become a teacher so that I could kind of give back. But the more I've been in my placement, the more I've realized I want to be a teacher because I want those little aha moments, like you're helping a student one-on-one and you're explaining the problem and you're giving them targeted questions, and then finally you get to the point where they just their eyes widen, they're like, "Oh, I get it now." And I love those little moments, and that's why I want to become a teacher. I really had no idea what went into becoming a teacher. I had no idea what I was supposed to do, the certification test I was supposed to do. I had no idea. But Fisher has kind of made it so that it's put everything out in front of me, so I know exactly what I have to do and exactly when I have to do it, and the processes to do it. I know if they're going to cost me money, if the school will help me with it. They basically laid everything in front of me in an organized manner, so I know exactly what I'm doing, and it's easy for me to succeed if I try.